it's Ryan again, talking to you from E.C.D Automotive Design. I'm a lead technician here. Let's talk a little bit about the off-roading ability of the Defender. Now, if you build a vehicle, you gotta have somewhere to start off. So what we're going to talk about first is where we come from, what our vehicles are that we use, and what they're capable of. So even this truck is somewhere from the mid-90s. This is what we use for the basis of building our vehicles. As they came from Land Rover, they're very off-road capable and known for being off-road capable vehicles. You have a live axle suspension, front and rear means solid axles. You have long travel coil suspension. You have center locking differentials, full-time all-wheel drive, high range, low range. Usually they have a nice durable diesel engine of some sort. Not terribly powerful, but all these things put together, you have a fun, very capable vehicle. These things dominated the Camel Trophy. They get farmers where they need to go, working on the farm, getting through the fields, hauling materials around. This truck is a work truck also. It's got 250,000 miles and still a hoot to drive. But so when we build our vehicles, we use this as the basis for it. You still have that same foundation. You still have that background of off-roading ability. We add to it and accentuate it. We have newer high quality components. You still have the off-roading ability, you still have great performance, but now we add the looks and the interior feel and the features and things that really completes the package of where Land Rover left it as a utility vehicle. We take it to that next level. So you can have confidence if you buy your truck, it's still very well capable of keeping up with the best of them and look really good doing it too. So among some of the features, we have our tire selections. We run various off-road or on-road mixed tires based on the customer's preference. BF Goodrich, Continental, Pirelli, Yokohama, any of those types of things. Good proven tire packages. Braking, we have anywhere from replacement stock brakes all the way up to a super high performance Brembo front and rear system. Large rotors, 6-piston calipers, very capable system as well. Suspension systems, we have anywhere from stock replacement all the way up to our E.C.D air ride suspension, which offers you versatility of getting in easier, giving yourself a normal look on the road, but then able to lift it up for off-road clearance with the touch of a button, with a nice ride and still good handling out of it. So even from our humble sources, let's take this one out and show you a little bit of what it can do and have a little bit of fun. Let's go.